You know, I love this car. Um, it's interesting. I was just thinking about, imagine people said there's only one way to make a car, and that's just the way it is. And everybody just said, okay, you're right. That's fine. That's the way it is. I wouldn't be driving in this car right now, and that would be awful because it's an incredible experience. We see that in our industry as well. People will tell us that, a metal building can only be produced one way. The design has limitations. It's a metal building. It needs to fit in a box. Imagine that, right? Well, it did once. Gosh, they used to have these things cataloged. They used to have beams on a shelf, and you can come into a store and say, I want this, 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 and this. But that's not the way it is anymore. Our clients' metal building needs do not fit in a box like they used to. And so we have to evolve. The industry has to evolve. And gosh, you see a lot of resistance to it. And maybe it's because of the way manufacturing's been set up. And I get that. If you've made an extraordinary investment over the years in a certain way to manufacture, you're probably limited, and perhaps you're happy. Perhaps that's the part of the segment of the industry that you want. But at least from the Allied standpoint, everything has evolved. And our clients' needs have evolved. And shoot, over the last year, through COVID, through the new COVID economy or post-COVID economy that we're expecting, you're going to see the use of of course, you're seeing it, we're seeing it, the use of the metal buildings has evolved. And we need to evolve with it. Our clients' projects do not fit in a box, and Allied by no means fits in a box. Our organization is unique, and it much more suits the clients of today, the future demands today, and the great evolution of the design and engineering of the metal building today. So when I'm asked sometimes about, what does our org chart look like? That's a tough one because we don't fit in a typical diagram, and we certainly don't fit in a box, but we do fit based on our client needs. And that's all that's important.